Hi, my name is Nurul Syafika binti Muhammad Fendi.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Khairul Syafiq bin Muhammad Ali and I will play as Minister in Malaysia.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. I am Seri Nur Hidayatul Aisyah binti Ali Hazrat.
Hi, I'm Halidah Hariba binti Alias. Don't forget to enjoy our video taxations about SST versus GST. Hope you enjoy.
It's already been 2 months since the debate between the sales tax and the service tax was introduced in Malaysia. The new tax regime has replaced the GST after 3 years. Since its launch, it's considered a more friendlier tax system for the people. The key difference between the SST and the predecessor is that the SST is a single stage tax regime, unlike the GST, which is multi-stage tax, and the full tax burden is shouldered by the customer. Unlike the new tax system, imported goods or services can only be taxed once.
Let's see the sections already recorded. Press conference between Prime Minister and the ministers on GST and SST. There were some issues that were discussed on the press conference by the Prime Minister for a while. And there were issues at the local and international level that people were boycotting and dealing with this tax. More issues to be shared in the Astro Mewangi, and keep up to date on the Astro Mewangi on channel 1234.
To answer the question just now, for me, the government need to improve the taxes to raise the funds needed for state administration. There are many taxes we already introduced. For example, at first we introduced GST, but we get too many complaints that people pay the taxes twice. So I think we need to reimburse the sales tax, which is SST, and there are no reason for us to use the old GST anymore.
The Royal Malaysia Custom Department believe the sales and the service tax allow for the better enforcement and the compliance that the goods and the service tax. The Director General of the country Custom Department, Datuk Syafika Fendi, she said because the number of the company being taxed was lower.
The sales and service tax named SST will be reimbursed starting 1st September 2018. The Royal Malaysia Custom Department said that the company can be easy to manage and consider the needs of low income for the household, which is recalled as B40. In explaining the matter, Dr. Syafika Fendi, the Director General, said that it will cover 3 parts. The first part is 0%, the second part is 5%, and the last part is 10%. But most of the products will be listed into 0% or 0 red categories.
Generally, tax service SST is only 5%, but only the certain terms. Because we also have a 0% rate on the basic essential goods. The tax will also be introduced as a 2.0 with most of the procedure digitalization compared to traditional manual method, such as the process is more time consuming and costly following the reduction of bureaucratic aspect. Compared to GST, SST is a lot easier as we only focus on manufacturer and service provider. All retailers are no longer in the network. No cost or record of a claim have been filed, and also no complaint costs have been reached.
According to Director General, although there are 470,000 companies under GST, the Custom Department expects less than 100,000 businesses to be affected by SST 2.0. Meanwhile, the Custom Department will be post zero-rated item on its website today, while GST website will be converted to SST on 1st August.
Okay, we are going to interview my chief owner of the store. Can I ask you something?
The price is easy and people are struggling. How do you want to raise spend other stuff and everything is expensive? I don't agree.
Sometimes our kids stuff is very expensive. It's not cheap. Even the food like fish or chicken are so expensive. So if the government wants to cancel the tax, it's very good.
Usually, when I travel, for example to America, their tax rate is 5%. Korea, 9%. I have been to Germany, 19%. They separate their tax like 15% for food and 11% for drinks. But if Malaysia, 6%, if they lower the rate to 3%, it will be good.
In conclusion, which part is better, either GST or SST? Why GST is better than SST? The reason why GST is better than SST is because GST collection is more than the latter, which benefit the government, business and the rakyat as a whole. Other than that, for business, GST is the easier process of submission tax claim. And for consumer, the implementation of GST to reduce service tax is from 10% to 6%. And the last part is the higher collection of GST than SST result is higher revenue because it is a comprehensive and transparent, as well as reduced tax erosion and leakage. That's all from us, and thank you for watching this presentation video.